Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into load testing tool named K6. K6 is an open source load testing tool that makes overall performance testing smooth and efficient for engineering team. It's free, developer centric and extensible. Using K6, you may check the reliability and overall performance of your system and catch performance regressions and problems earlier. K6 will help you to build resilient and performant applications that scale. K6 is developed by Grafana Labs and the community. Let's find out more about K6. Let's Google K6. K6.io is the official website. Let's click on this. K6 is available as open source, and then also there is a cloud solution available. For this video, we will be discussing about open source tool. Let's click on it. As you know, it's a extensible load testing tool built for developer happiness. Okay. Its API is available to use. Also, you can make use of CLI to execute your test. Also, these tests can be written in JavaScript. Okay. And it is very easily integrated with any of the CI/CD tool. So all the automation, the process is automated. It's very high performance tool. K6 engine is written in Go. Okay. Multiple choices for storage. It's beyond load testing. Community extensions open new options to test infrastructure performance, SQL, browser, Kafka, Kubernetes, Cache, and MQTT. These are some of the extensions which you can use. Okay. Effortless scaling, build and debug locally, scale to the cloud. So you can write your test locally, you can do some testing locally, okay. But when you want to scale it, you can make use of their paid feature which is available in cloud.